Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Google Pagespeed Insights in less than 2 minutes. First, you want to go to the dashboard and click on Site Monitoring, then click on Pagespeed. And here you can click on Analyze Now in order to show you all the performance settings. And here, the good thing is that you can see the performance on the mobile and on the desktop. If you want to see the page speed history, just scroll down and click on Analyze Now. And you can switch between the mobile and desktop as I mentioned. And if you want to go in depth in detail in one of these page speed history, you want to click on View Details on the bottom right side right here. Then here it tells you all the details about this speed history item. Here you have website performance score, the additional key metrics, core web vitals assessment, and insights. Now, when you scroll down a little bit more, here you can find all the issues that are facing on your website. You can simply click on any one of these problems, click on it, and it will expand like so, and you will know exactly how to solve your problem. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with a like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.